And I got it. You got it once I shared.
Okay.
That's a question, but okay. No, I was trying to kill him.
Hail, chosen of the Queen. Queen Irene, safe. If you would follow me.
No sudden moves now.
As you can see, our artisans have built some small amount of civilization amidst this barbaric
Look at you running
wilderness.
ahead. Wait.
Marbrook will soon
Crap.
be a jewel of the Dominion in this backward territory.
What?
I just realized I don't have to follow this guy. He's already here.
Behold the Mages Guild. The paint is still fresh. A marvelous addition to the city. Work remains, of course, but one does what one must on the fringes of the Dominion. The
What
vault
are
is
you
below.
doing?
Follow me.
Nothing.
This vault holds many rare plants that no longer exist in the Somerset Isles. Do take a closer look. I am no scholar of botany, but I know something about our specimens. Valen would
Oh my god, I had to talk to him.
This room holds
Beautiful.
alien relics uncovered across Valenwood. Interesting, aren't they? We've removed any dormant traps that we know of, so feel free to examine them more closely. This helm is actually from our own collection, our ancestors. The Staff of Magnus. Here is the star. What happened? Where is it? By the shining trees of old Meris, I know not.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we had a phone call.
Nope, not answering it.
Should it be important?
Oh my god, hold on. Okay, I am highly sorry about that. That was my college.
Yeah.
Where are we going? We gotta talk to the guy. Yeah.
I should...
Apparently there's some mandatory meeting crap I gotta attend. I don't want to.
Okay, that quest is done.
Wait. Signed in blood, is that a... What? Screw it, we'll just talk to, Wraithbane.
Share the quest.
I don't have the quest yet!
What the hell?
It's having me go all over the place.
I just completed the current quest.
This. The obvious. If Paladil...
Okay, I'll share it. I can't share it with you.
Okay, got
okay.
a quest.
Oh my god. Where the fuck are we going? Oh wait.
Going out.
That's so far. Especially with my slow ass mouth.
Where the hell is this?
Where are you?
It's outside.
Okay. A tree. Aha! Damn it! Okay. Do you have to talk to the tree then? Wait!
Yeah.
Oh, I can't kill this guy. I was really looking forward to it. I can kill this person. Hi.
Sometimes people are just impossible to
She fell.
understand.
On her own.
A person cannot just trip and die like that.
I bet I could prove that
What
wrong.
if you plant them in some peat?
I remember you trip when you go hiking, but you didn't die. You only broke your feet.
I didn't trip, I fell off a waterfall. There's a difference. Oh wait, I can't kill this guy. And, second of all, I'm sure if someone was at the edge of a cliff and they slipped on a rock and they fell off the cliff, I'm sure they could die if they landed on their neck or just fell from the height. You don't know.
I watched some video about a guy playing trick on the bar and he hit the bar with his neck and the bar bent.
You know what? Good for him.
I don't know if he lived.
Wait. Wait, I have this disguise already.
What?
This disguise.
Yeah,
I already have it in my
you
bank.
did it on your assassin.
I spent by the look.
Is there a bank nearby? No.
You can just take it.
Can you
I
believe
can't.
that tree thing?
You can't?
No, because I already have one in my bank.
Oh.
Wait. What the hell? Now it's letting... Oh my god. This game is broken. Because now it's letting me use it.
Where are you running to?
To this way. To the plant the seeds. What did you do? I'm not part of this. Ah, crap. And... oh. You're fine.
Where did I got fouled out?
Did you attack one? And they're out.
I-
Well, they're outlined in red for me, so...
Wait. One second.
Okay.
Let me try the disguise again.
Yeah, I don't think we have it, because...
It's still on my equipment.
okay, because mine is gone.
And I can put it on again.
Yeah, I can't do shit.
That's strange. It is stupid.
What? How buggy it's getting?
The disguise.
Hey, together.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna fail it.
One of us will get it. Ah! Ah, you weren't even in position yet.
Whatever.
Okay, we still got the northern hill. Hey, I got you a flower.
What?
I got you a flower. I hope you like it.
Did you hear something?
Why? I was perfectly invisible. Haha. Crap.
Charge!
I can now morph weakness to elements.
What? What skill?
Hmm?
What skill?
Destruction stuff.
But what skill?
Oh, I do not know.
Oh, War of Elements. Maybe into longer duration.
Wall of elements, what are you looking at? This is what I was meant for. Okay, well, someone came here, so we have to wait for him to spawn.
New chest here.
Oh. I give up!
What? It is a simple chest, you don't...
I have put 0 points into lockpicking, and I don't really want to do that thing by hand, so... You see my options here. I have something for you. Where is it? There you go. A melon. Enjoy. Okay, well those 3 back there have spawned, so this guy, I think, should spawn soon. Hopefully.
After this, I'm gonna have lunch, and then I go back and we do some dungeon pledges.
Cook my head. Hopefully he will spawn soon. I don't know why this is taking so long. This is for you.
So the Wood Elves have a friend who's not afraid to fight. Good.
I think I only have one lockpick left. So I'm just pointing that out there. If this thing breaks, I can't. Let me check how many I have. Yeah, I have one lockpick.
Assuming that you get another lockpick from opening a chest.
Yeah, that's my only... That's the only option I have. Because I'm too cheap to go buy lockpicks.
They are super cheap.
Right, but I'm cheaper. Haha. Haha! Wait, why are you invisible? There you go. Wow, you're so cool jumping over that.
What? Fucking criminal.
Whoa, whoa, criminal. I wasn't caught.